Did you have any kind of routine pregnancy problems?
I mean, yeah, I mean, pregnancy problems. I mean, of course, even I had morning sickness and, you know, like what most normal women are going through. But I think, yeah, of course, we kind of kept it at bay with lots of sugar, lots of kala namak. Like, Rujita has an answer, like, that's for everything. And the most simplest remedies. So I think the crowd should actually ask you also.
What are your thoughts on nutrition, and what are the kind of challenges you faced nutrition-wise as a new mother?
I think for me, the biggest challenge was feeding Misha right from when I gave birth to her. Because like Pooja said in her book, for the first few months of a baby's life, you are the menu. You have to be so careful when you're feeding your child.
How yummy is she? Anyway.
You have to be so careful when you're feeding your child. Everything that goes into your mouth goes into your baby's stomach. And it's extremely, it's something that's, you have so much responsibility on your plate, literally. There were so many things that I wanted to have, but I couldn't, because I didn't want Misha to be crying with stomach pain. And at the same time, I wanted to have enough nutrition so that I can give that on to her without depleting myself. Because everything that you feed your child eventually goes from you. So I had to nourish myself so I could nourish her. And that was the biggest challenge for me. And I actually came to Pooja once I was almost weaning Misha off, and most of our discussions halfway through went to, okay, what should I feed her? What can I give her? Because, I mean, we started our diet and, you know, that...
Figured yourself out.
That was simple, because then I didn't have to think so much and I didn't have this big responsibility. And she would say, you know, you can start it like this, baby-led weaning, this, that, you know, the advice is unending. But the best part was that her advice was so simple and easy to put to use that it wasn't that stressful.
For more Bollywood news, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.